Hi everyone, trying to open the WhatsApp app on Windows, but unfortunately you get this error. So let's see how you can fix this in the most easiest way. To get started, simply open your browser and search for Edge WebView2 download. From the search results, go to this first web page of Microsoft. Click on download. Then you will get the option of Evergreen Standalone Installer. Simply click on 64-bit. Accept and download and wait for the download to finish. Once downloaded, right click over the file and run it as administrator. Once successfully installed, now try to open WhatsApp and this time you won't get any error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.